Now, class, I want you to remember that there's no such thing as stupid questions. Go ahead.
So what exactly is YLDY and how much are you making with it?
That's a good question. We are going to cover that topic today. And you?
Yeah, you teach. When we go to the moon, what color Lambo you gonna get?
I retract my statement about stupid questions. Get out.
Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is brought to you by High Wire Brewing out of Asheville, North Carolina. This is called Banana Split 10W-40, which isn't it like an oil? This is an imperial stout brewed with banana, cacao nibs, vanilla, and lactose. This is about an 8% alcohol by volume. Nice, dark, chocolatey body with a bit of that creamy lactose, but I really don't get much banana or that milk flavoring, which I'm very disappointed on, and I thought maybe I was crazy, and I had my wife try this as well, and she didn't get it either. Although, the beer that was left over on my mustache did have a hint of banana when I completed it. So, little disappointed. I liked the sound of this. Probably about a 2 out of 5 when it comes to stouts. Cheers to you guys.
Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about cryptocurrency. If this is your first time finding the channel, thank you for subscribing, turning on that bell notification, and liking this video. Here on the channel, we have mostly been doing a lot of plug-and-play miners, but really we started our takeoff when we were covering Algorand and some projects in Algorand. So we're going to touch base on a project that we've covered before today, but we have grown a lot, and I know there's a lot of people that have joined the Nerdy Dude Squad, and it was really relevant or vocabulary when I was looking through Discord yesterday and I saw someone ask what exactly is YLDY, and I sat back and I was like, well, crap, I'm still in YLDY. I'm still earning every single day. Mind of Tron and I talk about it every time we play Call of Duty, so it might be a good time to refresh and bring that project to you. Now, this isn't going to be something where I'm trying to get you to join. It's a DeFi project on the Algorand blockchain. The link for it is in the description. There's no referral link or anything like that. This is just a genuine project that I truly believe in because I'm a huge supporter of Algorand. I'm very bullish on Algorand. I'm very excited for what that has to, like, that crypto project has for the future, and I like to see platforms like this continue to grow. So YLDY was really the first platform that I got into that was on the Algorand blockchain that was outside of just holding Algorand. Then there was a couple of more that we started getting into. For example, the Block Create and the Inu Tune tokens that we are holding in our wallet, but YLDY was kind of the first Mac Daddy. So with that, we're going to take a look at the project. I'm going to show you guys how you can jump into it and what the price of the tokens are at right now. So let's jump over to the computer screen, shall we? So YLDY is currently sitting at just shy of a penny and a half. It's listed over here on CoinGecko, and I think if you haven't jumped in or if you're interested in the project or you've dabbled and tested the water, remember I'm not a financial advisor and all that stuff, so I'm not telling you what to do. I was just saying this is a good opportunity for you. I would take consideration into jumping into this platform. Before we show it, here's CoinGecko. Yay, woo, fun. You can also, and this is what I recommend. Before we were talking about Bitmart and we got completely screwed by Bitmart. We have $3,500 worth of Planet tokens. They still haven't released no matter how many damn emails we send them, and I'm going to start bashing them on YouTube, and they're going to get really, really pissed, and I'm going to... But MEXC. So not only can you get YLDY on MEXC, but also you can trade, buy, and sell your Planet tokens. You're not locked into the crappy Bitmart that there is. I've been using MEXC for quite some time. I've used it for DPN, I've used it for YLDY, and now I will be using it for Planets. I've used it for everything except HNS, which is one of our miners, so I highly recommend using MEXC, and right now the trading pair is YLDY to USDT. Link for sign up is in the description of this video if you haven't signed up for MEXC, but this is where I would recommend going. You can also use TinyMan if you want. I know that they went through the hack and they just came back yesterday. So in the meantime, while we're building up liquidity there for the trades and the sales and the things and the bloops, you have MEXC available for you. So let's take a look at YLDY. Just gotta wet my whistle right there. All right, so we're going into YLDY. So the website is yieldly.finance. Now I did a video on this, and there's a cool little Easter egg where if we scroll down, you're going to see a flamingo that's digitized or pixelated. If you click on that, there is a little mini game that's very similar to Space Invaders where you can actually win or potentially win a free NFT. We're not going to play that today because that's really not what it's about. But I wanted to go to the main page and show you. So yieldly.finance, and then we go to YLDY. Once we go into Yieldly, we need to make sure that we have a crypto wallet that is algorand based that we can connect. And I have been using my Algo wallet. So we just go to Connect Wallet. Once it loads, connect the damn wallet. Darn it. This is what I get for using my old crappy computer. So yes, I am currently using my Algo wallet. You can use your Algorand wallet on your mobile device if you want as well. Very simple to link that, but you can just go to myalgowallet.com. You sign up for it, take your 7 or your 25 keywords, you store that away somewhere, and then you kind of have this cool little extension on the computer to where you can make these transactions super easy. So we connect our wallet now, and you can see here that we have some trading pairs. Yieldly you stake Yieldly, you're going to earn Yieldly and Algo. You stake Yieldly, you're going to earn Akita. You stake ARCC, blah, stake, blah. So we're looking at the APY on these. I am currently in Yieldly, which is yielding me Yieldly and Algo, and that's right now at a 27% APY. Used to be a little bit higher, but it has gone down since the governance program has released. So we're going to click on this trading pair here, and I'm actually going to show you how to stake your Yieldly because we are going to withdraw our rewards. So currently at the moment, I have 100,426 Yieldly stake. That's currently sitting at a value of $1,416. When the price goes up, and I think the all-time high I've seen it is about 2.5 cents. So when that goes up, it's a nice holding, but this is just something I've tucked away and I'm not even touching. I currently have 925 Yieldly and 0.15 Algo claimable from the stake that I've been doing. And if you hear the jingle bells, it's my dog Axel. I'm very sorry. I don't really have a shut up copper phrase for him just yet. Knock it off, Axel! That's not going to work. But anyway, we are going to claim our Yieldly. And if you don't have anything staked just yet, just wait a few minutes. We're going to actually get to the step of staking because we're going to stake our 925. But if you have stuff staked and it was the first time that you've gotten your rewards, you didn't know how to unstake it or earn your rewards or claim your rewards, here you go. So we've got 925 Yieldly that we can claim from our rewards, and we have 0.15 Algo that we can withdraw as well, which is nice because that covers the fees and blah blah blah. But 925 Yieldly at a value of blah 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 is about $13.04, and I do this probably once every 5 days or so. Usually it's later on at night when I'm playing Call of Duty. But we go through and we hit that claim, we sign our transaction, and that's going to take a moment here. So we'll have a sip of beer while we wait for Yieldly cheer. Happy New Year. There we go. So now we have claimed our Algly, the Yieldly and Algo all mixed together. Well, actually, that technically is true. We did claim both of them. And now we want to stake our rewards. There's no auto compounding or anything like that, but now we want to stake the rewards that we earn. So if you just purchased your Yieldly from Mexi and you put it into your My Algo wallet, and now you want to stake that, we are going to go to the trading pair of Yieldly that is earning Yieldly and Algo. You can go to whatever you want as long as it's Yieldly based, and I'm going to hit stake. And then you can see right here, I have 925 Yieldly in my wallet. If you want to stake all of it, I'm going to stake all of it, so I'm going to hit 100%. And it's not going to show up on my computer. Come on. Get going. There we go. So we hit 100%. If you don't want to stake, if you want to stake like 10, you absolutely can just, type in, or you can type in how much you exactly want to stake. If you want to take profit, only stake half of it and send it over to Mexi and take profit on the other half. You can absolutely do that as well. And it's really up to you, but I'm just going to keep growing my Yieldly staking because the price is a little low for me right now, and I wouldn't cash out any of this until about 2 cents when we get back up, because right now the whole market's in a bloodbath. So once we have some coin market caps start to come back, then we would start taking profit on some of our projects. So 100%, hit next, and then it's going to have you sign the transaction again. Now, if you're doing this with the My Algo wallet, what's going to happen is it's going to send the transactions. You'll have to have it pulled up on your phone and approve the transactions from your phone. Just like if you enter the governance program, you approve those transactions from your device as well. Boom, there we go. We now have our 935 Yieldly staked. Our Algo, we're just earning Algo up here. You can see we have 10 in this wallet, and we're not doing anything with that, although we could potentially go into the liquidity pools? Yeah, we can either go into the liquidity pool and stake Algo with Akita, or they used to have the Algo lottery, which I pulled out of the Algo lottery. pulled out. I pulled out of the... I withdrew my tokens from the Algo lottery, which we could just jump back into that here just for SNGs because we're not going to use those Algo token. Cannot exceed the algorand in your account. We have 10. We're going to put in 8. And then, oh, no, we actually only have 6 that are available to use. So we'll just put, oh, not that many. 6.832. No, we'll just put 6.8 in there. And we'll go ahead and stake it away because my Algo wallet in Yieldly will keep some stuff tucked aside so that way you can have the fees covered when you do these transactions. But overall, we are going to go back to the Yieldly staking screen, just take a look at the APY once this transaction is done being signed. Oh, before I even do that, there's other things. So there's NFT prize games, and based on the yielding that you have staked, you can actually go and enter yourself into some of these contests, these open ones, to earn or to potentially win a NFT. Now, right here, we've got Board Flamingo. We can actually, since we have that 100,000 Yieldly, we can get 100,000 tickets for this. So we can just click right up here, and it's not going to withdraw our Yieldly or anything. It's just as much Yieldly as we have staked into the Yieldly staking, we can then also receive tickets for winning these NFTs. So I'm just going to claim that. And I completely forgot about that, but now I'm glad I'm doing this on video, so that way you guys can also look at potentially earning NFTs. So it's not going to risk any of your Yieldly, it's not going to deduct any of your Yieldly, it's just going to be a transaction fee of Algo, but you can register and get tickets for every single Yieldly based, so Yieldly. So pretty much every NFT that they're offering here, this little lottery system that they've got, I have a 0.2861% chance because I have 101,000 tickets. I can then go into the Algo helmets, and this is also with Yieldly. That looks like a JJ. That's terrifying. I don't know why. You need to have staked Yieldly to enter. I do have Yieldly staked to enter. What about this one? Or maybe it's because I've already claimed my tickets up there. Or maybe it's got to be Yieldly to Yieldly, right? Yeah, okay, so as long as it's Yieldly to Yieldly and Yieldly to Yieldly, we can enter. So these look like beer cans. I'm going to get tickets for this as well. So now we have a bunch of chances to win NFTs. We'll just sign the transaction. We'll have a sip of beer. And we'll go from there. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or Discord, or you can leave a comment below. And if you guys have questions and you're posting in the communities on the Discord server, I might not be present and talking, but I am always lurking, and I'm always watching you, and I'm under your bed right now. But I am always watching, and I am always looking for more stuff and questions that I can answer, whether I'm going to answer you via a few texts or answering through a video, which you're going to watch, and you're going to like, and you're going to subscribe, and all that good stuff. Turn on the bell notifications. I'm O'Prius. We'll see you guys next time. I always feel like somebody's watching me.